do you guys feel? Is it okay or?
It was the same as far as we
Pretty much.
Thank you. And this is coming from the pros, all right? I mean, I don't pay you guys to do this, right? I mean, I'm glad you guys tried it side by side because you can feel a difference. All right. All right, I got more guys gonna do it.
He's after bird.
Did you shoot that M4 yet? That muzzle brake, a hell of a lot different, ain't it?
You want the RIs up there?
It's like a almost a gas shock.
Yeah, me and Van work together.
So we're looking at probably 5 or 6 easily. So if we've got 3 months.
All right. So how do you guys feel? Is it all right? I mean, how does it compare, really? I mean, it just...
Probably just a little bit of difference, just because of that compensator they got.
Right,
There's
right.
not that much of a difference.
Sure. I mean, that's something that, I mean...